Good evening. It is Monday, January the 8th, 2024, and we are back to bring you another epic storm chasing video. I'm gonna kill myself. Today we're chasing in Southeast Texas and South Louisiana. I'm waiting for Ashley to come pick me up, and we might meet Gabe and Josh and Sawyer in Lake Charles for breakfast. I mean, I got the Whataburger fit on. See that? So what can go wrong? It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be amazing. I'm excited. This is my first real chase since April 28th of 2023. So it's been a while, and I feel like I really need this. So I'm excited to hang out with friends all day and maybe catch a tornado or two. We have a 10% hatched risk out from the SPC, and it hugs the coast. So I think the play for us today would be to target the higher dew point areas, so any tornadic circulation adiabatically condenses and becomes visible. On top of that, it's an incredibly good terrain because the road network, while not the best, it doesn't give us the most options. There's no trees. So that's what I'm looking forward to today. That's what we're gonna be targeting. It's gonna be good. Homie over here is gearing up and starting to become weather aware. He should take shelter if he needs to. You gonna do that for me, buddy? Oh, he's coming over here. Hey, buddy. How you doing? You gonna stay weather aware today? That's one good thing about living here, is the locals. What about you, Houdini? Do you plan to stay weather aware today? Maybe? What about you, Izzy? Do you plan to stay weather aware today? Come over here. You're one of God's specialist soldiers, you know that? She is not a fan that there's a cat. It's an omen of what's to come. The man himself.
How are you doing? How are you doing?
Hey, Lester. Yo, I saw you on YouTube. Yo, I saw you on YouTube.
Did you?
Yeah, Hail Spike Hayden.
That's so cool. So
Yeah, I know. You should subscribe.
okay.
Cool.
Mr. Josh.
Happy birthday.
You should. I don't trust the car, but I trust his driving.
Mr. Joshua.
Hayden molester.
I hate you.
Ow.
Taco Bell breakfast?
Taco Schmel breakfast, you know it.
We actually have a lot of time. Josh,
Like my drip?
Josh, how do you look business casual?
Yeah?
I'm an active man. I'm just gonna be honest.
Are you?
I mean, look at this guy right here. Turn the camera around.
We're gonna go eat.
Big old fat raindrops. We won't be in it for much longer.
I hope not. It's hard to drive on a road like this.
Yep. We just came in of NWS Lake Charles, experiencing a brief round of locally large hail at about 2 inches. We got a couple hailstones over here, but we are looking to get out of the path of this storm. You can see the blue color from the hail core. Very cool. Mean hail core in the storm. And it should pass just to our north. You can see it's coming towards us. The storm is pulling in some strong inflow from that direction over there. All the inflow is cold, so it shouldn't produce a tornado, but this is still incredible to watch.
I've never seen one this fast.
Oh, you should have came with us on April 28th. This is nothing compared to April 28th. Look how dark it is over there, though. If there is any kind of spin up, it's going to be that direction right there.
Look at the top of us right here.
Yeah.
Look at how it's getting into the storm.
do anything because it's elevated.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just scud, who knows?
I don't know, dude. Oh, maybe it was just scud. It looked like it was really starting to back up, though. We're southeast of Lake Charles. Currently. We're just catching a couple of storms that are coming off the coast. Not really the big show right now, but we're just killing a bit of time.
They could be the big show if they go surface based.
Yeah. But I don't know about that right now.
I doubt it.
I doubt it too. But National Weather Service, Lake Charles had 2-inch hail earlier. That was fun to look at. We didn't get any of it though. We got a little bit of some, felt like pea-sized hail.
Stay out of that. Didn't want anything to do with that.
Here it comes back.
Yeah. We could get us a marsh tornado. That would be nice. We've made our way down to Rutherford Beach, Louisiana, just south of where I graduated high school. In fact, that's my high school over there. I think the play for the day is to watch water spouts as they come ashore. So the waves are going absolutely crazy, and I can't tell if that's inflow winds from this storm over here, or if that's just pressure gradient winds. Either way, I think it's going to be insane. These waves are huge. Crazy thing is, there's supposed to be wave breakers out there that you can't even see because the water's been pushed up so high from these southerly winds. What's up?
Insane.
It is insane. I'm cold. Woo! Storm cell decided to pay us a visit on our way while we're waiting for Papa QLCS.